everyone, myself Nikhil.
Myself Aditi.
Today we are here to discuss some important question of class 12 chapter 5 principle of inheritance and variation. Now Aditi, can you tell me what is the objective of this chapter?
Yes, in this chapter we have to learn Mendel's law of experiment, inheritance of one gene, two gene, sex determination, mutation and genetic disorders.
Now can we start now our questioning?
Yeah. What is inheritance? Can you explain it, Nikhil?
It is very simple. Inheritance is the process by which characters are passing from one generation to another generation or from parents to their offspring or their progeny. Now Aditi, I have a question that what is the meaning of variation and what are the factors by which variation arises?
Variation is very simple. Variation is the degree by which progeny differ from their parents. You can see people have different eye color, blood type, heights, all are due to variation. And variations arise due to three factors. First, reshuffling of genes. Second, crossing over. Third, mutation and environment effect. Now Nikhil, can you tell me what is genetics?
Yes. Genetics is the branch of biology in which it deals with the inheritance, that is heredity and variation, and the characters by which that are passed to their progeny. And you know
What?
that the father of genetics is Gregor Johann Mendel, and due to his endless effort, now we are studying about genetics.
How Mendel conducted his experiment?
Mendel conducted his hybridization experiments on pea plant, which have a scientific name Pisum sativum, on his graveyard of his church. He proposed his experiments and worked for 7 years, from 1856 to 1863, and he chose pea plant.
Why choose pea plant, not other plant?
It is very simple. He chose pea plant because pea plant have a short lifespan, about just 6 months, and short cultivation period, and the flowers are so self-pollination, and the traits are easily visible in pea flower.
Nikhil, you say that traits are visible. Which trait he choose?
Mendel chose 7 characters, in which two types of traits that are occur. First one is dominant trait, and other is recessive trait. The 7 characters that he choose are the stem height, flower color, flower position, pod shape, pod color, seed shape, seed color. These are the 7 characters that he choose for his experiment.
What are his experiments?
Mendel do 2 types of crosses. First one is monohybrid cross and another is dihybrid cross. In monohybrid cross, he choose only one character, which is a height character, and another is in his dihybrid cross he choose 2 characters, in which first one is seed shape and other is seed color. Round yellow first one and wrinkle green is second one. And
What is monohybrid cross? Can you explain it?
monohybrid cross. Mendel in monohybrid cross, Mendel choose 2 types of pea plant. First one is pure tall, homozygous tall, and another one is homozygous dwarf plant. And when he crosses with each other, these 2 types of parents, he found F1 generation. In F1 generation, all the plants are heterozygous tall. Can you anything know about after the F1 generation, in first generation, Mendel proposed his first law of inheritance, law of dominance. Can you define it?
Yeah, law of dominance. In law of dominance, characters are called factors occur in pair. In a dissimilar pair of factors, one member is dominant, which are visible, and other is recessive, which are not visible.
Oh, good. After F1 generation, when Mendel self-crossed with F1 generation, he gets F2 generation. In F2 generation, he found a phenotypic and a genotypic ratio, in which 3 are talls and 1 is dwarf plant. And the phenotypic ratio is 3:1, and the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Can you Aditi tell me how can we identify that the homozygous tall and heterozygous tall? Because in physical appearance that they both are tall, but how can we identify which is heterozygous tall and which is homozygous tall?
We identify it by the test cross. Crossing of an crossing of an organism of dominant phenotype to a recessive individual.
What is the use of test cross?
We use test cross to find out unknown genotype.
Oh, I think Mendel also used to test cross. Why he used test cross?
Mendel conducted test cross because to find out the F2 genotype.
Oh.
Of F2 generation, he proposed law of segregation. Can you explain it?
Right. In law of segregation, during gamete formation, the factors alleles of a character pair present in parents segregate from each other such that the gamete receives only one of the 2 factors.
Okay, I understand it. Mendel published his law in 1865, but it recognized in 1900. Why? What are the reasons for it?
There are so many reasons. That on that time was the communication was not too easy, and Mendel also used some mathematical tools in his law of inheritance. That's why the many biologists on that time could not accept it due to his new types of discovery. And another one is that he could not have any proof of the existence of factors.
Nikhil, can you tell me other patterns, other patterns of inheritance which are also called non-Mendelian inheritance?
Oh, Aditi, you are I think talking about the exception of Mendel's law.
Yeah.
There are various types of pattern of inheritance, such as codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple allelism, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy. These are the exceptions of Mendel's law. Thank you and have a good day.